Hi everyone, I am here to tell you about my internship experience. First of all, I would like to say thank you to my internship company, EcoGIF, and to the provider Selvin for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I was working as a software developer in EcoGIF, a company with a sustainable goals. Also, I choose this time to say thank you to my university, Cardiff Metropolitan University, for this opportunity. This last 10 months with EcoGIF made me professional. Along with the technical knowledge, I was able to develop my communication skills and interpersonal relationships. So, moving into the introduction, EcoGIF, my company, internship as a part of my course, Cardiff Metropolitan University, my experience as an employer in industry. EcoGIF was the company where I did my internship for 10 months. A company mainly focused on selling and buying of the sustainable products. I did this internship as part of my post graduation in computer science. It was a great opportunity to cherish in EcoCIF along with the Cardiff Metropolitan University. Through this presentation, I am here to tell you all about my experience as an employee in the industry, how they mold me from state of student to an employee. Moving into the background, the production of software and video games has grown to be an important economic pillar. At the EcoGIF company, I have completed my internships in game designing and software testing. I had the chance to learn about the fundamental ideas behind the game and the software design industries during my internship. Using the LibreSprite application, I played the role of character designer for the game. As an intern, I have come to understand that the modern software development industry has a vast scope and may help me realize my objectives. I discovered the idea of smoke testing in this course. Through this experience, I have discovered the benefits of working as a software game developer and the difficulties that can arise after conducting a throughout literature review. The entire internship program has improved my career potential. Motivation. It is expected that the person's internship related experience will be enable them to assist the solving of significant software design related issues. I have finished my internship program in order to improve my software design and game design skills so that I can use them to succeed in the coming years. The following are some of the points that have been cited as an internship objectives: to gain more understanding of software testing through the use of JavaScript through the Visual Studio Code platform, to acknowledge all of the difficulties I have encountered while performing game design and development and software testing, and which provided me with the chances I need to improve my abilities in this area, to have a better understanding of character creation utilizing the LibreSprite tool to advance game design knowledge. Moving into the scope and problem description. My responsibility as an intern in the company were varied: smoke testing the product with the Selenium using JavaScript in Visual Studio Code, attending daily meetings, and other duties were assigned to me. My responsibility as a software tester using smoke testing was to determine whether or not the deployed program was stable. I was in charge of doing usability tests on software. I carry out the test, evaluate the findings, and inform the development team of my observation. Also contributed additional innovative ideas for UI and UX designs for gaming platforms as a member of a strong design team. Problem description. I noticed that poor internal communication among the team members frequently makes it difficult to run precise testing. When you are doing an internship for 10 months, you will come up with so many problems like time management, how to meet the deadlines, and here are some problems that I have come up that I have faced during my internship. Additionally, I have observed that new technology, untrained testers, and ineffective game designs and software testing are caused by high expectations and lack of suitable project management techniques. If the team failed to meet any documentation related requirements, the testers would have also failed to meet crucial customer expectation. The majority of the time, although the project for design and development of games and software was delivered on schedule, it was rejected because of the quality problems. Therefore, in the present day, each software project needs intensive management and oversight to ensure the project objectives are met. The next chapter is the technical review. In this chapter, I'm going to tell you about all the technical skills that I have come up through this internship. First one is software testing, Selenium in Visual Studio Code. Then game designing, software development, animator character creation for games. Software testing with JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. Automation testing is regarded as a crucial component of software testing. Testing the user interface is especially important when these issues pertain to web applications in order to guarantee or build a comprehensive experience that is typically provided to end users. In this, the Selenium test automation is categorized as instrumental, allowing for the verification of items across a range of browsers and operating system combinations. JavaScript is among the many programming languages that Selenium typically supports. Selenium has long been regarded as the finest option for automation testing, despite the fact that there are numerous tools and frameworks available on the market to execute automation testing. Next project I was assigned was the game designing. I was a part of a game design team, and while I was working with the game designing, I was able to learn more about development tools. Osaka Park was the game that we have designed for 3 months, last 3 months of my internship. It is a gaming platform for play video games, and the points earned from this game can be used to purchase as a reward as can be used as a reward to purchase products from marketplace of the Echo Gift. Also, I have created characters for games, and it was a great experience in my life. Software development. I was in part of this development team with the software development of selling and buying of sustainable products. Worked with a front-end developers, developed resulted in the growth of the website. Get used with the development tools frequently. Also, I was getting used with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and front-end technologies like React, Angular, etc. And effectively, we used Git and GitHub. Also, I created animated characters. We created characters using LibreSprite application, and we used CodePen to give the life to the characters. And I got so many workshops to how to do, and team meetings, how to create a characters. And from that, I have created a character called Memo, which is an asset for the company now. And I would like to say more about team meetings on Discords. Internship was a remote, and the Discord was the platform we've been using for the last 10 months to meet the team and company. Channels have been created for different tasks, etc. Example, testing channels, lunch break channel, development channels, design channels. Individuals belong to correspondent channels are teamed up for tasks. Here I am going to say you about the methodologies that we have used during this internship. Agile software development and Scrum team meeting management were among my duties while I was an intern at EcoGIF in order to satisfy all testing requirements. Modern Agile approach was used throughout the entire game designing process, which I was in charge of to make sure that all design and development requirements were appropriately upheld for improved performance. As a result, different sprint stages are taken into consideration in order to better understand what is involved when implementing the Scrum method. Now I am gonna tell you about the results and analysis that I came up with this internship. After the internship, my internship has given me the opportunity to learn, grow, and develop in a variety of areas, including communication, logical, analytical, and interpersonal relationships, project management, time management, prioritization, adaptability, um, storytelling, and teamwork. Also, I improved my technical skills along with this interpersonal relationships. Adding some of the images from my internship. These are the some images of my Discord team meetings and the creation of animated characters and effective use of online whiteboard called Mirror. And these are the some of the works that I have done during my internship. Some of the paper prototypes, my characters, and some effective use of development tools. Coming to the conclusion of this video, um, it was a great experience during my internship. I have developed the ability to work efficiently under all pressures, made me industrially experienced. Also, I met the objectives of internship and the company. So I am really happy to show you this presentation. I know I am not able to show everything in this because it was a 10 months experience and it is only 10 minutes video. So I would like to choose this opportunity to say thank you to my internship provider, university, and my supervisor Sia, and the program director Tahir. Once again, I would like to say thank you. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you.